Welcome back guys to yet another interesting episode on India Hot Wheels Hunters, and today it's all about RMZ City. I'll give you a clue that the model that we are going to have a look at is already mentioned here on the box, and it is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS, and it is a very special casting. It is a very special model. So let us have a look at the model right away. So this is our 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS model, and just before going to the model itself, let us have a look at the box. So the box of this particular model is a little beaten up, and this is the reason why I just took it out of the box before starting this video, as uh, it would not look good if I unbox a car from a box which looks like this. But I'll assure you that this car is a brand new car, and it has not been touched upon. I was the first person to unbox it, but over time what happens is the plastic starts sagging, and the box, when another box is just placed over this like this, sometimes it uh, compromises the rigidity of the box. So there is nothing serious about it. We'll check out the box first. This is a RMZ City scale model. It is suited for ages 3 plus. It's a scale model. There is a number 45. It can be a model number, it can be a model number to the series. It is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. There is a warning sign, choking hazard. On the right hand side there is nothing much to see, only a RMZ City logo. On the back side again there are some features that are mentioned: the opening of doors, pull back and go action, Unifortune, RMZ City, all the other brands. This is a typical RMZ City box. And on the left hand side we have got a small peeking window where we can check out the front of the car. On the top again it says that it has opening doors, pull back action, go function, die cast and plastic parts. Here is the important series. It says that it belongs to matte series. Again we have small peeking window, and that is about it. So at the bottom side we have all the usual warning labels: the RMZ City, the website, Unifortune, all the other warning labels and warning indications. And again this car model is bought from dreamcarmodels.com. It is a black silver RMZ City matte series, and it is for 425 Indian rupees. So now that we have checked out the box, I'll just mention that there is a small cutout so that your finger can go in and you can physically touch the model. I don't know the reason why they have given this window, because this window partially makes this box useless, because the dirt, the elements are going to go inside the box anyhow. So inside this box is a red colored cardboard where there is a metal plasticky element which uses two bolts like this to actually attach the car model to the cardboard. So it is like this. It is quite rigid, quite nice. It doesn't move. But what has happened is the box has perished here, and I'll be posting some pictures on how to contain the damage here and just keep this safely. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of the box and just talk about the model itself. So this is the car model that we are looking out and unboxing and reviewing today. So the matte, it is from a matte series. The matte color looks great, awesome, and from a distance this car model looks pretty nice and very solid. So let us start from the sides and then move around as we usually do. So on the sides again the silhouette is very nicely captured. It is a two-door car rather than a four-door car. So there are certain silvery elements. The Camaro SS badge is painted. You can see that the trim is painted in silver color. The handle is painted in silver. There is a sill plate which is silver. There are some air vents which are marked in silver. Again there are some indicators front and rear again marked in silver, painted in silver. The wheels are quite nicely imitating the chrome accents. The wheels are actually very good. So since it has a pullback action, these wheels are rather creepy. On the front side we can see that it is the classic fascia of Camaro. So plastic inserts for both the headlights, the iconic SS badge in the middle, and the Camaro SS badge again in the place of number plate. Chrome bumpers, again these look flimsy but they are not. Two fog lamps, the front lip very nicely captured, the chrome depicting silver outline for the windshield, two very nice looking silver stripes. Again there are certain details just to show some hood openings for supercharger. Again there is a small painted badge saying Camaro. On the other side again the details are quite nice. The painted accents, the Camaro badge is very crisp, and on the backhand side we can see that the Camaro SS badge is also there. The Camaro depiction in place of the number plate is also there. Again a firm, very nicely put together rear bumper, the painted tail lights, and a small spoiler. Again these stripes are carried over from the front to rear, very nice, very proportional. Again the chrome depicting silver outline on the rear glass. And just overall, if I have to rate this model out of 10, I'll give it 8 on 10. And it is nothing to do with how the car looks or how the model is, but rather they could have done something more to maintain the rigidity and the firmness of the packaging itself. It should not have been damaged so easily. So now what we have to do is just look at the interiors here, and I'll guarantee you that it is going to be a difficult thing to peep inside the interiors of a matte black car, but still we'll try. I'll just make the brightness as high as possible. So steering wheel, two bucket seats and rear seats, no painted dials, no painted emblems on the steering wheel, but the doors have a very soft closing action. They do not bang on, but it is soft as well as crisp at the same time. And from the other side, let us try and check out if there is some painted accents. No, absolutely no painted accents inside the interior, but overall I'll say that this model is an 8 on 10 model. The last and final part is inspecting the bottom. So looking at the bottom edge, we can see that it is made in China made model, Unifortune. It says RMG City, Chevrolet Camaro 1969, and again this body is connected to the base by two screws, and that is about it. So base is plastic and the interior is plastic, but the body is metal. So overall it is a very nice model. It was it justifies its cost of 425 rupees, but the only thing that I think is something better that the manufacturer could have done is giving a better quality packaging box so that this particular model can be stored. But again, as I mentioned for the G-Wagon video, if you have not seen that video, please do check out that G-Wagon video. Again, if I have to mention, I'll call this particular model a type of model which can be played with rather than being kept in a collection, or it can be taken out of its box. The box can be discarded, and this model can be used as a standalone model in your showcase in front of your office desktop PC, anywhere you feel that this model is going to give you joy and happiness just by looking at it. So the 8 on 10 value is only for the improper box that was provided with it, but apart from that, this model is just awesome. And if is looking at this review you feel that you can go for this model, please do. The model is very nice, very good, and it has a very soft, crisp pullback action. The details are very nice, the paint is very nice, and overall it's a very good model. So this is up for today. If you like the content that I'm posting, please do hit me in the comments, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram with the same ID, India Hot Wheels Hunters, and until next time, keep collecting, keep enjoying. Tada.